I recently acquired a Pentax 645Z, and while I was researching it pre-purchase, I came across a video demonstrating the shutter sound. And now that I have my camera, I realized that that video is totally misleading, and yet it's the top result for Pentax 645Z shutter sound. Now, considering that video would be a red flag for some people, I thought I'd make another video just showing what it really sounds like. I'll also demonstrate a couple of other cameras so you've potentially got a reference point of your own. Here's the Z. Compare that to a Canon 40D. Or a film era 645N2. Obviously a lot louder with that film winder. And finally a Pentax Spotmatic. So as you can hear, the shutter on the Z is not actually as loud as some videos make it out to be.